Hi, I'm Honda Pro Jason. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through the new Honda Odyssey, showing you some of my favorite features. So follow me, let's have some fun. The Honda Odyssey is the best-selling minivan in the US. Let me show you some of the reasons why. Starting with this all-aluminum hood, this beautiful streamlined front end, with this nice piece of chrome coming all the way across the center. The Honda H is where Honda actually hides some of its sensing technologies. All the way in the bottom, they have an active front shutter grille. These are kind of like blinds. They'll open up to allow air into the engine to cool it off, but also they'll close to allow the air to go around the vehicle to increase the gas mileage. LED daytime running lights with LED headlights, LED high beams, and LED fog lights. And Honda's wiper link, which automatically turns the headlights on when the wipers go on. Coming around to the side, Honda put these beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels, side mirrors that fold forward and backward. They also have a turn signal built in and a blind side indicator in the mirror. And sure, you could unlock the doors using the Honda key fob. You can also keep the key fob in your pocket. Just grab the door handle that automatically unlocks. And when you're ready to leave, all you have to do is press this little black button to lock the doors. Honda's also put a capless fuel filler. So you simply open up the door, put the nozzle in, and fill it right up with gas. I also really like how Honda hid the door track right underneath this window, really adding to the styling of the vehicle. To open up the door, you simply pull the door handle. The sliding door opens right up, allowing you plenty of room to load or unload items. And when you're ready to go, you simply grab the key fob, press and hold the button, and the door closes right up. I really like the back end of the Honda Odyssey. With his tailgate spoiler, LED taillights that match the LED headlights, body-colored backup sensors, a backup camera, and a power liftgate that's not just height adjustable, it's also hands-free. But it just doesn't open hands-free, it also closes. The Odyssey has a built-in vacuum. It's called the Honda Vac. It's cleverly designed in the rear of the vehicle. It comes with attachments so you can get into all the nooks and crannies, and enough hose to reach all the way to the front. With the Odyssey's third row magic seat, if you need more room, it's simple. All you have to do is fold the seats down. Nice and simple. But if you need even more room, once you remove the second row, you'll have 158 cubic feet of room, which is enough to stack a bunch of 4x8 sheets of plywood. There are so many seat configurations with the new Odyssey. You can take the second row completely out for hauling. You can also use it as a 7-passenger and you have the magic slide seats, or put in the middle jump seat and you have room for 8. The Odyssey's second row magic slide seats allow these seats to slide side to side by lifting up this handle. The seats also move forward and backward. They work with the baby seat in and allow much better access to the rear seats. Now inside the Honda Odyssey, let me show you some of my favorite features, starting with this new redesigned instrument panel. It's 7 inches, it's full color, it shows you all your sensing technologies, all your apps, and it's all customizable. Another great feature is the push button start. All you have to do is keep your key fob in your pocket, put your foot on the brake, and press this button here. With the Odyssey's electric gear selector, you can go from park to drive with the push of a button. You simply put your foot on the brake and select your gear. The Odyssey has an idle stop feature. At a complete stop, in perfect conditions, the engine will actually shut off, helping you save gas. To help with snow or icy conditions, the Odyssey has a snow mode. It starts you out in second gear and adds a little bit more traction control. The front 2 seats of the Odyssey are heated. There's 3 different settings. You can manually adjust it, or when you're using the remote start, if it's too cold in the cabin, they'll automatically turn on. The Odyssey's new 8-inch color touch display shows all of your audio functionality, also your navigation. You can easily hide apps that you don't want to see just by sliding them down, also allowing you to control your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is also where you can display Honda's new features, Cabin Watch and Cabin Talk. It lets you control just about everything. Let's take a closer look at Cabin Watch. Cabin Watch is a camera in the ceiling of the rear seat. And in this 8-inch display, you can see everything happening in that back seat. You can also see it during night with Honda's night vision. And if you want a closer look, you simply pinch in, you can see exactly what you want. One of my favorite features of the new Odyssey is Cabin Talk. This allows people in the front seat to talk to people in the second row or third row seats without yelling, even if they have headphones on. It actually interrupts the music. Watch. Hey Honda Pro Jason, can you hear me? Cabin Control is an app that you can download for your smartphone or your tablet, allowing you to control many different things inside the car from any seating position, including navigation waypoints, climate control, even music. Hey, we should go get ice cream. Sounds good, Honda Pro Jason. Now go ahead and send me those directions using Cabin Control.
Okay, all sent.
Please drive to highlighted route.
With the app called Cabin Control, there's a social playlist. It acts like a jukebox. Everyone in the car can choose their music, push it right to the front system, and then the driver has the ability to play that song or delete that song.
If you're looking to keep your devices charged, Honda has you covered. With a power outlet up front, an AC power outlet next to it, 2.5 amp USB in the center, along with 2 more USBs in the rear. With the availability of 4G and LTE networks, the Honda Odyssey is a mobile hotspot. Using the 10.2-inch screen, you can watch DVDs and Blu-rays, but you can also stream plenty of applications. The windows are tinted in the Honda Odyssey, but if you're looking for a little bit more protection from the sun, the second and third rows also have sunshades. Sometimes kids make a mess in your vehicle, and sometimes on longer trips they make an even bigger mess. Luckily, the Odyssey comes with the Honda Vac, with his long-reaching hose ready to clean up any mess anywhere. Under the hood of the Odyssey, Honda has a 3.5-liter V6 with Earthstream's technology and iVTEC, putting out 280 horsepower and 262 foot-pounds of torque. Made into a 10-speed automatic transmission, which by the way is the world's first 10-speed automatic transmission in a front-wheel drive car, still able to obtain 28 miles per gallon on the highway. For information or a test drive, visit your local Honda dealership. And as always, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.